Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID currently uses a phone number and that you have an active email ready to become the new ID. Once signed in, open Settings, tap your name, then select Name, Phone Numbers, Email. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. Apple often requires it to change ID. You're now positioned to remove the phone number entry. Take a breath, this prevents account lockout, and proceed to edit contactable addresses so the email can be added next. Now you'll swap the phone for the email. Tap Edit under Reachable At and choose Add Email or Phone Number, then enter the email you prepared. Apple sends a verification code. Check that email and enter the code back on your iPhone. Once verified, you can remove the old phone number by tapping the minus sign. Make sure at least one reachable address remains. If an Apple ID sign-in prompt appears, authenticate with Face ID or your device passcode to confirm the change. Finish by signing out and back in on all your Apple devices so apps and services recognize the new email. Update iCloud, App Store, FaceTime, and iMessage sign-ins if prompted. If you can't add the email or Apple blocks the change, verify two-factor devices and check email spam folders. One key tip: go to Account. Apple. COM from a browser to manage trusted phone numbers and recovery. That often resolves verification and lockout problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.